The OnePlus Ace 3V mid-range smartphone debuted in China today, equipped with Qualcomm's latest creation, the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processor. The new Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 is manufactured in 4nm lithography and has a main high-performance Cortex-X4 core at 2.8 GHz, 4 primary Cortex-A720 cores at 2.61 GHz and 3 energy-saving Cortex-A520 cores at 1.9 GHz. It is the system that powers the new OnePlus Ace 3V as the first smartphone in the world. In addition to processor, LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 memories were used, and the OnePlus Ace 3V received a 5500 mAh battery with 100-watt super fast charging. OnePlus Ace 3V also received a 6.74-inch display with a 1.5K resolution, 2150 nits brightness, and a refreshing image with a frequency of 120 Hz. The smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera, and on the back of the housing there is a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, supported by an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera with f2.2 aperture and 112-degree field of view. The smartphone's equipment also include stereo speakers and an infrared transmitter. The housing meets the requirements of the IP65 standard in terms of tightness. There are 2 housing color variants as well as 2 memory options: 12 and 256, 12 and 512, and 1605 GB. Their prices are $278 and $320 and $362 respectively.